The seasons come and go like thoughts of you.
On the 7th and 8th of September this year, I had the pleasure of demonstrating Yorkshire Grit products on behalf of Glenn Senior. The venue was Yandles Woodworking show in Martock in Somerset, and Yorkshire Grit was co-located with Martin Sabensmith's Hampshire Sheen stand. The show is very well supported by the woodworking community, and Yorkshire Grit and Hampshire Sheen attracted, I believe, more than its fair share of the visitors. Now, in order to demonstrate Yorkshire Grit and Yorkshire Grit Microfine to its best advantage, it was necessary to design and turn some bespoke pieces for this show. Now, the range of bespoke pieces included a number of hemispheres turned from different types of wood, a piece of burr elm which had been stabilised with cactus juice, and a hybrid burr elm resin sphere. The purpose of this particular blank is to show off the advantages of Yorkshire Grit Microfine. Now, this blank I'm going to make from a very old and dusty, wormy and beetle-ridden piece of burr elm. Now, to achieve this, I'm going to give it a good drowning in cactus juice for a couple of days in the vacuum chamber.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change, but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like a nice season. Not for long, just a time, just like a nice season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season.
I was fortunate enough to be joined on both days by my wife Julia, who made a very good job of hijacking people as they went by and introducing them to Yorkshire Grit.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change, but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like a nice season.
To demonstrate Yorkshire Grit and Yorkshire Grit Microfine on various types of timber, I chose hemisphere-shaped pieces for this purpose. For ease of mounting and dismounting from the lathe, I chose a dual system which consisted of a faceplate ring and a direct attachment using the spindle, which is a 33 by 3.5 millimeter.
seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you find my way this season. Each time of year carries memories, like a never fading whisper in the breeze. Oh, we will keep on changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing. This season, the one
Process when you apply pressure, the grit becomes increasingly small, abrasing itself away. So part of that grit ends up becoming smaller grit, and part of it will go with the waxes now and become infill in those microfine specialties. Shake too much. How do they get shake out?
just like another season. The seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you find my way this season.
And in line with any other
each time of year carries memories, like a never fading whisper in the breeze. Oh, we will keep on changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing.